Illustrator tricks, trick number 11. In today's trick, I will show you how to change a text while applying a mask or effect without expanding it. First, type your text using the text tool, or just press the T key on the keyboard. Then adjust it as you like, using the text settings in the character panel, which you can access via the Windows menu or by simply pressing the Ctrl+T. Now, select the text and launch the Pathfinder panel. You can find it in the window menu. Then, click on the panel options, and choose Make Compound Shape. Our text is now ready for editing. I'm going to make a mask using this picture. Make sure your text is in front of the image. Then select everything. Then, right-click the mouse and select Make Clipping Mask. Thank you for watching, and I see you in future tricks.